So now let's learn another important concept of HTML, which is attributes, a part of the HTML element. So basically an attribute is written inside the element. You can see here the element part we have learned in the last video. So attribute is adding extra functionality or passing extra parameter to the element to say something special. For example, we are adding an image to the website, so image should have width and height, right? Okay, or we are adding something to the website and it should have a title, so we should pass through that to the element to say that. So here it is, show in this way. Okay, if you understand, let's see the attributes in action. So I will create a new file called lesson3.html. So I will just create a basic structure. That's the element will have a content, but we should have an attribute here. Attribute, yeah, it should have a value. As an example, I will show you one example here. For example, let's say example. Okay, I will have here an again h1 tag, but this time I'll have a title to that. For example, I'm saying heading 1. Okay, and here this is attribute. All right, in order to see that in the browser, I'm gonna run it. Okay, you can go here and go into that. You will see that this is attribute. Okay, you'll see the title appearing in the right side. Okay, if you run the lesson 2, there's nothing like that here. You can come here, but there's nothing here, but it adds extra functionality adding this title to that. Okay, title is basically an extra functionality that's for using in elements. So there are also certain number of types. There are types that can be used in all elements. There are attributes that can only be used to in the certain elements. So we will learn that in the following videos.